Konnichiwa minasan! Today we'll be learning about the three writing scripts in Japanese: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. Hiragana is used to write original Japanese words. For example, enpitsu, meaning pencil. Katakana is used to write English words in Japanese. For example, America, which means America. While kanji are derived Chinese characters which are used in Japanese language. For example, sakura, which means cherry blossom. Please note that kanji can be written in hiragana but is used as a pictorial form for words. In this video, we'll be learning about all 46 hiragana characters with some hidden rules, combined characters, and lots of examples. A, E, U, A, O. These were the vowel sounds: A, E, U, A, O. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. This is the ka column. Sa, She, Su, Se, So. This was the sa column. Sa, she, su, se, so. Ta, chi, su, te, to. This was the T column. Ta, chi, stu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. This was the na column. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, he, who. Say who with your mouth open. Who. He, ho. This was the H column. Ha, he, hu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. This was the M column. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, you, yo. This was the Y column. Ya, you, yo. Ra, ri, ru, ru, re, re, ro, ro, ra, ru, ri, re, ro, wa, wa, o, o, mm, wa, o, Some additional Japanese sounds can be created by adding a dakuten, or two little marks that appear on the top right corner of the symbols. It changes their sounds from ko to go, for example. The ka character sounds are changed to ga character sounds, that is, ka becomes ga, and so on. Sa character sounds are changed to za character sounds. So sa becomes za, ji, zu, ze, zo, and so on. Ta sound becomes a da sound, whereas ha sounds become ba sound when added the dakuten. Some more additional sounds can be created by adding a han dakuten. It is similar to a dakuten but added only to the ha group of characters. Ha becomes pa, he becomes pi, and so on. Ho, hon, book. Tori, tori, bird. Inu, inu, dog. Hoshi, hoshi, stars. Nihongo, nihongo, Japanese. Enpitsu, enpitsu, pencil. Iriguchi, iriguchi, entrance. Kazoku, kazoku, family. Some more sounds in Japanese can be made by combining characters. Let's make some words using the combined characters. Kingyo, kingyo, which means goldfish. Ocha, ocha, green tea. Curry, curry, cucumber. Additionally, in Japanese, while reading characters, long vowels are used. Let's take a few examples. First, oka-san. Oka-san, the additional a sound is added after ka to emphasize oka-san. Example 2, iie. Iie, a long e vowel is used. Kyuri. Example 4, one-san. Additional a is added after ne, making one-san. Oki. Here you can see in a single word there are two additional vowels. O followed by O and E followed by ki, making it oki, which means big. The last rule in Japanese character pronunciation includes small stu sound. Now this is pronounced as a hard stop or a silent stop. For example, gakko. We emphasize on the kana, which is just after the small stu. The first example says gakko, which means school. Asatte, asatte, day after tomorrow. Kissaten, kissaten, which means a coffee shop. Let's practice. Comment down below the English meaning and the pronunciation of all the words that you can see on the screen.